Wait, straight.
You know what? As soon as you get over that, just all of a sudden lurches ahead.
You get a bunch of lift, huh?
Yeah.
You gotta almost just dump it.
No way.
Oh, that counts.
That's hilarious. Back up. Come on. Go there.
It's right side up.
I meant to do that.
Good job, Dean.
Give it that hard blast the other on. Roll it over.
Mm-hmm.
Just all of a sudden bullets ahead. This is like a T-Rex 600.
Yeah, the tail won't hold.
No, it just goes.
Ow, ow, ow.
All right?
Yep.
Nope.
Man down.
Okay. It's a tough one.
It is pretty tough.